हिंदुस्तान ने चांद की सतह पर चंद्रयान-3 की कामयाब लैंडिंग के साथ तारीख रकम की है। इसरो सरबराह सोमनाथ ने कहा कि हमने चांद पर सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग की है। अब विक्रम लैंडर से रोवर प्रज्ञान के बाहर आने का इंतजार है। हिंदुस्तान चांद के जनूबी कुत्ब पर पहुंचने वाला पहला मुल्क बन गया है, जबकि चांद के किसी भी हिस्से में सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग करने वाला दुनिया का चौथा मुल्क बना है। इससे पहले सिर्फ अमेरिका, रूस और चीन ही चांद पर सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग कर सके हैं।
A lot of confidence that the health of the craft will be very good, and we will be able to continue with the experiments, including the Pragyan rover coming out and then doing all the experiments. So we are looking for very exciting 14 days from now for Chandrayaan-3. And as Honorable Prime Minister has mentioned, it is not Chandrayaan-3 alone, it is for future scientific exploratory missions. This is the beginning of a golden era. That is a message I get from what our Prime Minister told. So we are looking for launch of Aditya L1 now next month, and also the launches of many other science missions, including the mission for the human spaceflight as well. So thanking each one of you for your support, and I cannot tell you the type of that excitement that is created in the whole of India. Every school child, every school, every village, every mohalla is excited by the showcasing of this landing videos and broadcast. And all of them are praying, having lot of pujas and homas and other methods of prayers suitable for each one of them for the success of this mission. And I want to thank each one of you for your excitement, your love for the nation, and for whatever we achieved today. It's all dedicated to yourself and for your courage and strength to support us. Thank you so much.